Traders, I'm looking at the US 100. I'm just noting these breaks here. Yeah, I mean, if we go out to the daily, we'll have a quick look at it from the higher time frame. Yeah, okay. So we've got this break of this low. It's hit these sell stops and then reacted off the liquidity under here, and it's traded off with a vengeance. Okay, that's a really big move. Now it's pulled back down into this zone here. So what we have under here now is we've got, we've got this green candle back here, potential support zone, and then we also have this red candle prior to this expansion accumulation range under here. So it's traveling into big support, and you probably don't want to be selling into that. Let's just grab a Fibonacci low to high. Yeah, it's pulled back. Like if we look at this entire price swing, it's pulled back into equilibrium, and this is bullish on the daily time frame. That is a bullish trend with the deep pullback. Okay, what we'll do, we'll go down to the 4 hour and we'll get a bit closer to it. So I think the point that I'm interested in fact, point of control you could call it, would be midway through this this value range through here, this ranging sideways. In fact, what we could do is grab, I've got it here actually, this is the anchored volume profile. Let's just do that, pull that back from here. All right, the point of control specifically is right there. Okay, through this value area through here. Okay, that's the midpoint where you see most of the business that's been done occurred here. Okay, the red line on the volume profile points that out. So this is a big level, guys. This is key support zone. If we happen to break through here, I mean, I wouldn't be selling at the moment. I'm merely looking at the market and just, looking for clues as to, where is this going to trade. I think there's a good possibility that this holds here, right, off this support zone, and we get a trade back through this gap up into this value range up in here. So that could be a target if this breaks bullish, right? So you want to see the break of structure on the lower time frame, the break of this high and continuation, and then that is possibly then a buy opportunity if it breaks bullish. So that's one scenario. The other scenario is because I've got my doubts that it travels further south, but I mean, it's possible, right? So it could look for more sell side liquidity under here, possibly, right? So if it does, I'm still not going to be, you don't want to be selling into this, but I mean, it could travel south. And if you want to get involved, it's going to have to be the break of this low here back into this value range, this point of control. And then that's possibly a sell under here, targeting this value area down in here. I don't like shorting this at the moment. I don't feel comfortable trading into any of this, to be honest. All right, but I mean, it could set up that way. So two scenarios, guys. I'm not going to be selling. If anything, I'll be, if it does break north, I'll be looking to buy. That's my preference. Otherwise, I'll leave it alone. I mean, it could travel in either direction. That's the thing with this. All right, so that's my take on the US one. Keep an eye on this, guys, because look, if we see more downside, we'll see strength come into the yen and the Swissy being risk-off currencies, right? But if it holds here and travels north, okay, then we'll see a weak yen, and there'll be opportunities with the yen pairs and Swissy pairs in the opposite direction. But at the moment, well, I mean, this has been pretty bearish last week, traded down into it, and now it's kind of range bound. It's holding here. Let's have a look at it on the 30. Meandering sideways. I mean, that's pretty bearish price action you got there. What I like about this anchored VWAP, you can anchor it further back than the visible range. So I've got it anchored back in here somewhere, and that gives you more data. If you use the standard visible range volume profile, it's only going to pick up what you're seeing on the chart, so you actually miss out on historical data. Anyway, look, that's the thing. That's the Nasdaq. Just be careful with it, guys. We just need to let it settle. It's Monday. See where it heads, after today, and I think Tuesday will open up some opportunities. But that's my take on this. I'd love to hear your comments, your ideas for sure. Yeah, with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.